Hi guys, my name is Shiretta Clark Baker, your favorite loan officer, and I'm here today. I want to give you a step-by-step guide on how to fast track and become a mortgage loan officer such as myself. You'll oftentimes hear us say MLO, mortgage loan officer, mortgage loan originator. Those are all the same things, guys. And you also hear lender. So a backstory about me, I worked in healthcare for about 14 years, and then about 2 years ago, I decided that I wanted to change, guys. I wanted something that I can do 100% remotely from home, something that I had unlimited earning potential, and something that gave me an opportunity to create my own schedule. And so far so good, guys. I've been in the field a little over 2 years, and in that short amount of time, I have made more money than I've ever made in any career or any job in my life. It's a game changer. I would never see myself going back to a 9 to 5. It's just, those days are gone for me. That's a thing of the past for me, guys. And I know a lot of people have been asking me, how do I become an MLO? What do you do? I'm looking for a change. It's possible. I did it, guys. I did it in 2 weeks. In this video, I'm going to give you that step-by-step quick guide of general steps that you need to take to become an MLO. So grab a notepad because you may have questions for me after the video, and stay tuned. So what is an MLO? An MLO is a licensed mortgage loan officer who helps borrowers, get financing to become a homeowner or to buy a home. And that's pretty much the simple terms for it. So now how do we become one, right? So the first step is to go onto NMLS and create an account and get a registration number, an ID number. And so I'll leave the website for you here, and then I'm going to give a step-by-step guide of how to get that. That part is free. Everything else after that is not free. So make sure that you go through everything and make sure that this is a good time for your finances to start this career or this endeavor. Step 2. So now you should search online to find an approved NMLS CE pre-licensing course educator. I'm not sponsored by one. I do have one that I have used, but you are free to go through Google and see who's approved to give you the 20-hour pre-licensing courses that are required for you to move forward in your journey of becoming a mortgage loan officer. Step 3, after you've completed your 20-hour pre-licensing courses, you are then going to register to sit for your national exam. And here's where I'm going to be real frank with you guys. That test is hard as hell. That test is hard as hell. It is very hard. And I'm a test taker. I have taken many licensing exams, but that by far was the most challenging. It is not something that you can't overcome. You can absolutely pass this test, but I want you to take this serious. And if this is something that you really want, I want you to take this part serious. This test is hard. The fail rate is very, very high, but I passed it on the first try. And so I'm going to help you, but I want to be real open and honest with you guys about the career that you are considering taking on. Step 4, you've passed that test. Now you're going to apply for licensing. The more states you have, obviously, the more clients you can service. But let's start small. This is me being real again. These licensings cost a little bit of money each state that you apply for. Let's say Alabama. Alabama, I believe, is like $100, $125. Georgia's like $200 to $300. So, keep that in mind when you're trying to rack up on states before you develop your clientele. All right, so pick a state to start with and apply for licensing in that state. Work through the process. Most of them require that you have a background check, a credit check, and some of those background checks require fingerprinting. So keep that in mind. You have to apply individually to each state and abide by whatever criteria that they have set up for their licensed persons. So we're going to go back to the NMLS part, which is number 1, step 1, because I did want to go step by step on how you go about getting an account and generating that ID number. So log into nationwidelicensing.org. Go to Licensing and Registration tab. Click on the state you wish to start in from the map. It will route you to a breakdown of the fees and what each state requires specifically so you can plan ahead. Okay, so make sure that you read through this. Make sure that you understand what each state requires, fees wise, background check screenings, and all of that before you proceed, so you don't have any surprises. Now, register with the NMLS. This step is free. So, it's free to create an account, so nothing to lose here. Go to log into NMLS. Click need an account. Click individual because you're applying for yourself. Put in the character captcha to verify you're human. And then from there, you just enter your information and continue to click through the steps. If you get stuck here on a step, guys, just shoot me a quick comment or email and I'll help you out. So again, guys, I've been in the game. This will be going into my 3rd year. And again, it has been a game changer for my finances. This has been that breakthrough that I have been looking for all my life. And so I'm a producing branch manager. I was promoted to a branch manager, I believe, 1.5 years into my career. People saw me, and this is a career where people see you. And so, if you're producing, they see you. And I am now a producing branch manager, and I am actually hiring for producing MLOs. So if any of you watching this video are already a licensed MLO and are looking for a change, looking for higher earning potential, bigger commission checks, faster pay turnaround, a great ops team that get your deals closed and funded, holler at me after this video. I have a home for you. We can get you in, set up, and going. You get endless support, not just for myself. I have a great division, a great team of underwriters, great team of processors, great marketing team. I love our marketing team. So let me know. And everybody else who's here to get a little bit of a nudge towards how to become an MLO, take this video and I want you to pin it and remember that this was the day that Sharetta Clark Baker, your favorite loan officer, helped change your life.